Most MSMEs think ISO 9001 means documents, formats, audit fear. But the truth is simple. ISO 9001 is not about paperwork. ISO 9001 is about one thing. Can your business deliver consistent quality and consistent delivery even when you grow? Because when a business grows, people change, new employees join, new customers come, new supplies are added, new locations start, and if the business runs only on experience, it becomes unstable. Today, I will explain ISO implementation step by step in a very simple MSMEs friendly way. No technical language, only practical steps that work. Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS and quality management consultant. I work with MSMEs in manufacturing and services. And I want to be honest, ISO can become paperwork if you do it for the auditors. But ISO becomes powerful when you do it for daily management. So let's learn the right way. Step 1. Decide the purpose and scope. First step is not documentation. First step is clarity. Ask one simple question: why are we implementing ISO? Is it for a customer requirement? Is it for growth? Is it for exports? Is it to reduce defects and complaints? Now define scope. Scope means which products or services are covered, which locations are included, which departments are involved. If you are a manufacturer, scope can cover sales, purchase, production, quality, dispatch. If you are a service company, scope can cover sales, service delivery, customer support, billing. This step saves you from confusion later. Step 2. Gap analysis. Now we do a gap analysis. Gap analysis means what do we already do well and what is missing. This is not a judgment, this is reality check. You can do it by reviewing processes, walking through shop floor, checking current documents, talking to team members. Output of gap analysis: a list of missing items. Example: no complaint tracking, no supplier evaluation, no internal audit system, no objective monitoring. Gap analysis creates your roadmap. Step 3. Identify processes and process owners. ISO runs on processes. So, step 3 is list your key processes. Typical MSME processes: customer order handling, purchasing, production or service delivery, quality checks, dispatch, HR and training, maintenance, calibration. Now assign process owners. Process owner means the person responsible for that process performance, not just doing the work. Responsible for control, improvement, results. ISO works when ownership is clear. ISO fails when ownership is quality department. Step 4. Simple documentation. Now documentation. But remember this, documentation is a tool, not the goal. ISO does not want 200 pages. ISO wants clarity. Create only practical documents: quality policy, quality objectives, simple SOPs for key activities, basic formats, records, risk and opportunity actions, control of non-conforming output, corrective action process. Example of practical SOP. Instead of writing a long SOP, write steps. Who does it? What to check? What record to keep? If a new person can understand the job quickly, your documentation is good. Step 5. Training and awareness. ISO is implemented by people, not by files. So, Step 5 is training. Two types of training. Awareness training for everyone. Explain what is ISO, why we are doing it, how it helps them daily. Role-based training for process owners. Explain what they must control, what records are required, what risk exists, what targets are expected. Training should be short and practical because MSMEs work on time pressure. Step 6. Implement and run the system daily. Now we run the system. This is the most important part. ISO is not implemented by writing. ISO is implemented by doing. Daily execution means follow SOPs, maintain records, monitor quality checks, track issues, control changes, follow approvals. This is where most MSMEs struggle because they implement ISO 15 days before audit. That never works. Run the system at least 4 to 6 weeks before certification audit. Then, then it becomes stable. Step 7. Monitor performance with simple metrics. ISO expects performance visibility. So choose simple KPIs, manufacturing KPIs, rejection rate, rework, on-time delivery, customer complaints, supplier defects, service KPIs, customer response time, repeat complaints, service turnaround time, customer satisfaction. You don't need big dashboards. A simple monthly sheet is enough, but it must be reviewed. Step number 8, internal audit. Now internal audit. Internal audit is not checklist ticking. Internal audit is checking. Is the system working? Are risks controlled? Are results improving? Audit each process. Ask simple questions. What is your process? What can go wrong? How do you control it? Show evidence. Internal audit helps you find gaps before the certification auditor finds them. It is your practice match. Step 9. Corrective actions. Audit will find issues. That is normal. Now do corrective action. Corrective action means fix the root cause. Example, problem, customer complaint due to wrong packing. Wrong fix, scold packer. Right fix, define packing checklist, train people, and verification step. Check effectiveness later. ISO becomes powerful when corrective actions improve system. Step 10. Management review. Now the most ignored step, management review. This is where top management must review customer feedback, quality performance, complaints, supplier performance, risk, objectives, improvement actions. Management review is not a formality. It is the steering wheel. If a management uses it seriously, ISO becomes a business system. Step 11. Certification audit. Now, certification audit. Choose a good certification body. During audit, auditors will check understanding, implementation, evidence, improvement. They are not searching mistakes. They are checking system maturity. If you have implemented the system daily, audit becomes easy. No panic. Realistic ISO timelines for MSMEs. Small MSMEs 45 to 60 days. Medium MSMEs 60 to 90 days. It depends on complexity, team involvement, and leadership commitment. Let me summarize. ISO implementation is not a big task. It is small steps done consistently. ISO succeeds when processes are clear, people are trained, system is run daily, audits are honest, management is involved. ISO fails when documents are copied, system is built for auditor, quality teams works alone, daily discipline is missing. Remember this, ISO is not a certificate. ISO is a way to run your business without losing control. If you want a simple ISO roadmap for your MSME, follow Swades QMS. In next videos, I will cover ISO documentation simplified, internal audit practical method, management review in real life, how to face audits without stress. Comment step if you want my ISO implementation checklist. Thank you for watching.